On the same day they arrived back in Colorado after a judge released them from ICE detention, the family of the Boulder firebombing suspect were detained again by immigrations this morning and put on a plane to be deported, according to their attorneys. The Trump administration went after the family of Mohammed Solomon and his wife and his 5 children, despite his family's insistence they knew nothing about the anti-Semitic attack on Pearl Street Mall last year before it happened. Solomon was accused of throwing Molotov cocktails at people on the mall as they gathered in support of Israeli hostages in Gaza. Solomon remains in custody on state and federal charges, but his family has been in a Texas detention center since last summer, while their immigration proceedings on expired visas continue. On Thursday this past week, a federal judge ordered their release. His wife and his oldest child, who's now 18, were ordered to wear electronic monitoring. Well, the family's attorneys say they got back to Colorado this morning and went straight to get fitted for those monitors. But attorneys say immigration officials put them in a car and back on a plane to be deported. A federal judge then granted an emergency motion today to stop that deportation process. Attorneys for the family say they got as far as Michigan, and now they're tracking a plane that they believe is headed back to Colorado. We have reached out to ICE and DHS for comment today. We have not heard back from them at this hour to ask about what's going on with this case. We do have a crew speaking to the family's attorney tonight and trying to make sense of all this flurry of court orders today. We'll hear more from them coming up later tonight on 9 News at 9 and 10.